Hey, it's Mrs. Golding. We are in your math packet. We are on page 19, and it's the first problem number 1. And in this problem, it says Conrad draws a rectangle. Two of the vertices, and that's just the corner, right, where two lines meet. Two of the vertices are 2, 7, which here I am actually on Desmos.com. I would suggest you do this problem on Desmos. In your packet, you can try to draw a coordinate plane, or you can just write in there. I did this with Mrs. Golding on Desmos.com. Okay, and then kind of draw the rectangle with the dimensions that we're going to have. But there's a lot of value in using this Desmos tool. So, okay, I'm going to put this first point, and in the past, we have used the table tool where we added a table. This time, I just simply, in each of these lines, I did an ordered pair. The parentheses, ordered pair, parentheses, okay? And you can add a label here so you can see this is the point, which is at 2, 7 in quadrant 1. And it's marked in red. Okay, the next point that he had, or the next vertex, is 7, 7. So I'm going to put it here. I've already put it in, but this allows me to have it showing. You see how I did that? Okay, these were the only things that were given to us, right? And then it says the perimeter of the rectangle is 16 units. So draw a rectangle which could be Conrad's. Now, there's more than one answer here. I'm going to show you one possibility, and maybe you can think of some more. Okay, so the definition of a rectangle is it's a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. It also has two sets of parallel sides. So you could think of bottom and top, right? And the sides. That's usually how we think of a rectangle. Those are parallel. These are parallel, right? The other aspect of a rectangle is that the parallel sides are congruent, meaning they're the same value. These are congruent also. So it also has 4 right angles, and those are the main pieces of the definition of a rectangle. So if this right here, from this point to this point, is going to have to be equal to, and it's either going to be down here or it's going to be up here, right? So I'm going to count the how many units long this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I'm going to choose to come down here. Now, it has to be, that parallel side has to be 5 units. So we're working on the notion that this rectangle has a perimeter of 16. That's where you add all the way around, okay? So 5 and 5 is 10. What's left so that I can get to 16? 6, right? So that means this side is going to be 3 and this side's going to be 3, okay? Because that's going to add up to 16. 5 and 5 and 3 and 3. Okay, so that tells me how far to bring this point down. And again, you could have gone up. Wonder if there's others you could draw. These are the ones I chose. So I'm choosing 2, 4, which is 3 units down. And then I chose the final point, 7, 4. Okay, and that is 3 units down from this point, and from here to here is 5. Interesting. Look at the x values. What is the difference? 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 units, right? 7 minus 2 is 5. Now look at the y. The y values, 7 and 4. That's the y going up and down. What's the difference? 7 minus 4 is 3. So that's where we get those 3 units. So this is the rectangle that I would draw. Of course, I would fill it in, and I would write down on your paper the units for each of the sides, 5, 5, 3, and 3. Hope you had a great day, and I will see you next time.